Hello iGel Beauties, this is Royalty Nails. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use your iGel Beauty Pure Kolinsky acrylic brush. Here we have two acrylic brushes in size 12 and size 14. The size 12 is perfect for color acrylic application, while the size 14 is perfect for one bead acrylic application. First, we want to carefully remove the brush from the packaging. We will notice that the brush has came with a second layer of protection around the bristles. They are quite stiff, and that is normal because that ensures that our bristles came to a perfect point and are perfectly molded into shape. Before use, we want to break in our acrylic brushes. To do so, I will submerge the brushes carefully into my monomer to release all the air bubbles within the bristles. After our brush has been soaked in the monomer, we will carefully remove the liquid from the brush by brushing against a lint-free napkin. Immediately, we can see that the bristles have softened ever so nicely while retaining its beautiful shape. We want to repeat this step twice. Some of us prefer a more pinched brush, and that can easily be achieved with a pair of pliers. Today I will be using my size 12 Kolinsky brush and a set of small pliers I have purchased at a local supply store. Luckily, our iGel Beauty brushes already come with a little pinched effect, so we don't need to mess with the bristles as much. I will first make sure that the brush is saturated with monomer and I have the exact shape that I want my bristles to go in. Next, I will grab a folded napkin and place it where I will be pinching with the pliers. With the body of the pliers, carefully pinch down on your metal part of the tip of your brush. I will not be using too much force because I will be going back and forth from one side to the other, making sure I have an even surface. When you are happy with your shape, you want to make sure to dip your brush back into the monomer and shape it as desired. We will be storing this brush upright in a dry area for 24 hours before use. Next, I will be demonstrating how to pick up a bead of acrylic using your size 14 Pure Kolinsky brush. First, I will be submerging my brush into the liquid monomer, making sure I release any air bubbles trapped inside the bristles of the brush. Next, I will rotate the brush and carefully tap on the surface of the acrylic powder twice to pick up a nice firm bead. Before applying the bead to the nail, I will be rotating the brush and draining the back of the bead on a lint-free napkin. I will then carefully apply the acrylic bead as close to the cuticle area as possible. After you have placed your bead on the nail, wipe off any leftover acrylic from your brush on a lint-free napkin. Next, I will submerge my brush once again in the monomer and start slowly feathering the acrylic bead down with the tip of the brush only, not the body of the brush. This will help you not remove too much of the product from the nail, making sure that my client's nail is pointed downwards so gravity can pull the acrylic bead down. Your color acrylic application is now complete. To clean your brush, make sure to use monomer or a brush cleaning solution. You never want to use acetone because that will ruin the bristles of the brush throughout time. To purchase these acrylic brushes or any other product mentioned in this video, please visit igelbeauty.com. Thank you all so much, and until next time, goodbye.